I'm headed to a heart of Streeterville location, midway between Michigan Avenue's Mag Mile Shops and Ohio Street Beach, and a half block from Whole Foods, for a tour of one of Sweet Home's furnished short-term apartments at the Streeter. The Streeter has a 24/7 attended lobby with coffee service and a lounge area for greeting guests. The landscape pool deck has a grilling area and is adjacent to an indoor hot tub and resistance pool. The fitness center has a nicely equipped strength training area, a wide variety of cardio equipment, and a basketball court. There's a library lounge and a resident club room with a bar, a two-sided fireplace, multiple TVs, and a gaming area. The business center has a printer and cubicles with computers. I'm in apartment 1603, a northwest corner, 2-bedroom, 2-bath, looking out on a sheltered balcony. Rare item in Streeterville. Turning into a generously sized living dining kitchen area. Set up as a home office desk here. Great open plan. Wide plank flooring throughout the living areas. High ceilings. Comfortable furnishings. Large TV. And looking at the kitchen, there's a breakfast bar island. And since we're in a Sweet Home apartment, there's a goodie bag with drinks and snacks to welcome you home. Kitchen has a stainless steel appliance package with a gas range, built-in microwave and dishwasher, tile backsplash, and everything you're going to need to feel right at home. All the countertop appliances, cutlery, dishes, glasses, cooking utensils. It's all here. All you need to bring is your suitcase. Very efficient kitchen. Good cabinet and counter space. Window looking out for natural light. Plenty of space to relax and entertain in this living dining area. Turning into one of the bedroom suites, you have a walk-in closet, another closet off to the left, carpeting in the bedrooms. You have a wide vanity, black polished granite countertop again, linen closet, and there's a walk-in shower. Turning into the sleeping area, chest of drawers, wide wall of floor-to-ceiling windows, king-size bed, a nightstand, and an additional TV. Good separation of the bedrooms here for privacy. Turning into the second bedroom, there's another walk-in closet, set up with twin beds, chest of drawers, and again a flat panel TV. The tandem entry from the bedroom into the bath. Finishes similar to what you saw in the primary bath. Drawers for storage in the vanity. Wood frame mirror. And an entry out to the hall where you would have entered. Stacked washer dryer has great placement above front, apart from the living and sleeping areas. And a coat closet as you would have walked in, with ironing board, and cleaning supplies. Sweet Home has a variety of generously sized apartments at the Streeter. Streeter has an attractive location, extensive amenities, and everything here is a sweet deal. Head to Sweet Home's website to see more information and Sweet Home offerings in other locations.